Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Inayat Hussain Bhatti. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Bhatti was born in Gujarat on 12 January 1928 in a Punjabi family. In December 1948, he moved to Lahore to study and initially stayed at MAO College Lahore hostel in Lahore. A few months after his arrival in Lahore, he did his first performance on stage in the YMCA Hall, Lahore. After his YMCA accommodation performance, Bhatti accompanied Ijaz Jilani to Radio Pakistan, Lahore, where he met and became a formal pupil of Master Inayat Hussain Shami, a composer then working for Radio Pakistan in Lahore. It was his association with and training under Master Inayat Hussain Shami which facilitated Bhatti's participation in regular radio programs as a singer. He sometimes used the accept character role in play broadcast by the Lahore station of Radio Pakistan. Rafi Peer, a playwright, asked him to be the hero in his play Aankhiyan Eyes. Bhatti was introduced to composer Ghulam Ahmad Chishti by Master Jilani in the Of the Most Dangerous and the Other Study Law, and facilitated his sometimes used to the accept character roles in plays broadcast by the Lahore station of Radio Pakistan, and a record a few songs in producer-director Nazir Ahmad Khan's film Phere. After this film popularity, Bhatti became an almost overnight celebrity. Producer-director Nazir offered Bhatti Sahib the leading role in his Punjabi film Heer 1955 against Swara Lata. In 1997, he suffered an attack of paralysis which impaired his speech and kept him bedridden for most of the time. Therefore, he few days became of the death. His 71-year-old Arises was taken to the negative home Gujarat, where on 31 May 1999 he died and was buried next to his parent. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.